How climate can impact engine oil selection. Weather conditions such as temperature fluctuations, humidity, and extreme heat or cold can have a significant effect on your truck's engine, so it's essential to choose engine oil that aligns with the specific climate you're operating in. Cold climates demand a particular type of oil to ensure the engine runs smoothly in freezing temperatures. When temperatures drop, engine oil thickens, which can result in poor lubrication, starting issues, and higher engine wear. In hot climates, your truck's engine faces higher stress, so it's vital to use oils that can withstand higher temperatures without losing their viscosity. Hot weather can cause engine oil to thin, reducing its effectiveness in protecting the engine from wear. Humid climates can lead to moisture buildup inside the engine, which can impact the oil's ability to lubricate the engine effectively. Engine oils in these climates need to combat the effects of rust, corrosion, and engine wear due to excess moisture. If you're in a region with mild weather or a mix of seasonal conditions, you'll want to select an oil that offers versatility and can handle both cold and hot temperatures.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.